Hello viewers. Now you enter to the Saraswati's farm, and this the Saraswati's estate, and their parents were living in this house, and this and here some people who were taken lease for remaining parcel of land. They put the small shed over here to manage. Now we are going to enter the Mr. Varadaraj's house. This where our grandfather and grandmother were living here, and me and my brother used to come here and play. When my grandmother used to live here, we used to come here for cooking. And this is a type of kitchen that you can see, and this is the bathroom that you have. And there used to be one another room used to be there behind this wall that somehow got demolished, and even this is in a very bad shape. Better let me get out of the building. Okay, and what you see here is there's some temporary shed, and in front of this there's a parcel of land. They planted tomato, and lot of tomato plantation, and some more plantations have done here. And this is the waste tomato plant, and neighboring farmland is having all the moringa trees with you can see the wind farms are located here. And the mountains that you see here are Varshanadu hills that surrounded by Varshanadu hills. And this side you can see the Meghamalai hills that you can see. And here there was another house of Mr. Varadaraju's brother used to live here after he died, and the house is removed. And what you see, these are all the place that you see. And you are also seeing this the Kumuda auntie that you are seeing in the video. And here you can see this well used to keep we used to play over here. And these are the places we used to come here and play, and some cattles, everything we used to tie over here. And this well, now they put small fencing around this well because one cow unfortunately fall down, and then it is severely injured. Because of that incident, they put fencing around this well. And here you can see this water coming from other well, and then there is some type of irrigation they have planned here. And you can see there is a road adjacent to this farmland, and this farmland adjacent to this there's a tractor passage, and everything is there well connected with the main road. And you can see the Gamesa windmill is rotating, gigantic windmill. You can see that it is rotating. And this is the tomato that is cultivated from our farmland. Now I'm going to see some interesting twist that happened in this corona year. So what you are seeing is surprisingly, my grandfather used to tell there used to be a Mullai Periyar river used to come this passage, right? So what they have done is brilliantly the government is planned with the Mullai Periyar river water to pass through this place, and all the surrounding places will be irrigated because of this project. So everyone will get water, and all the land will really get benefited. And this is going to even further long, and this side this also going to connect further long. There used to be a road made in this way, and it connects the main road. And then that's how during our childhood days we used to come this place. Now because of this canal, they removed that passage. Instead they put a small steps over here, and using the steps we have to climb down and up. Probably I met some nearby people. They are saying there will be a bridge, foot over bridge kind of a bridge, something will be planned so that this people can oh, let me climb up. Oh, yeah, okay, somehow I climbed, and this is a passage that you are seeing. This is a road actually really much widened, and this side also widened. If you travel this way, it connects to the Govindapuram, and then this side it connects to this Jangalpatti. Yeah, correct, Jangalpatti. This way it connects, and because of this work actually the road is much widened, and that is how they planned. And so this used to be a usual passage. Because of this canal it is removed, and this our relatives land in the name of Saravana, and this land also almost not maintained properly, so a lot of weeds grown around this location that you can see, right? Even somebody poured a cement paste here, and all are completely spoiled because not able to maintain it properly, probably due to corona year. Not labor was not so easy to get it during 2020. So now we hope next year it will all will resolve. And this another adjacent land, Saravana's farmland, and you can see the beautifully all the wind farms are rotated over here. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.